First of all, we have to open compass and scale. Okay, this is our compass and this is our scale. First of all, we have to draw a line of any length. Then with the help of angle of 60 degree, angle of 60 degree and 30 degree and 45 degree. I construct here angle of 60, 30 and 45 degree. If we want to draw angle on B, we place compass on B and open compass up to 2 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. It's up to you according to your space. Then draw a semicircle. This semicircle meet at this point. Place needle on this point here and draw another arc. This arc is of 60 degree. This arc is of 60 degree. Now with the help of scale, we have to draw angle okay. Now we have to draw a line segment. This is of 60 degree. Now from 60 degree we have to draw angle of 30 degree. For 30 degree we again place the compass over here. For 30 degree we have to bisect the angle of 60 degree. One arc from here and we replace the needle on this arc and draw another arc. This point of intersection and joining this point we have angle of 30 degree. Replace here and here this is of 30 degree. Now for angle of 45 degree we have to bisect this 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 degree and here we have 60 degree. And then we draw like this one. With the help of scale and pencil we have to draw this line. This is of 45 degree, this is of 60 degree and this is of 30 degree. So we construct here angle 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Voice is clear to everyone? There is a student. Okay, there is only Asim. Okay, it's me only. There is no students in this class. Okay. So on next page, we have to draw angles of angle of 90 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree, 120 degree. Okay. For this purpose, we draw a line, say AB. We want to draw angle on B. We have to replace compass over here. And draw an arc from here. Draw an arc. The first arc is of 60 degree, and then we replace here compass. यहाँ compass better रखेंगे और then we draw another arc. We have just this arc, and we replace here and draw another arc like this. This is of 60 degree, 60 पे रखेंगे और next arc लगाएंगे, that is of 120. Again we put the compass on 60 degree and draw another arc for 90 degree, and then we replace at 120 and draw an arc of again. So when we join these two, like this, and we draw a line, this line, this is of 90 degree. Now with the help of 90 degree we have to construct angle of 75 degree. 75 degree is equals to 60 plus 15 degree. This angle is of 30 degree. If we divide 30 by 2, it's 15 degree, so we bisect this angle. For this we again replace compass over 90 degree and draw an arc, and then we replace at 60 degree and draw second arc which meet at this point. Now with the help of scale we have to draw angle. With the help of compass and scale we have to draw, this is of 75 degree. Now we have to construct 105. For 105 we have draw another angle. We make an arc over here from 120, and then from 90 we have to draw arc, and then we join this point of this, like this. We have to join this point with this. We have angle of 105 degree, because angle of 105 degree is equals to 90 plus 15 degree, so we bisect this angle. This is of 30 degree. Okay, now for 90 degree we have to, for 45 degree we have to bisect 90 degree, which is 45 degree. So for bisection of 90 degree we have to place needle at 0 degree and at 0 degree and draw arc, and then we replace at 90 degree and we draw another arc, and when we join this, this is of 45 degree, this is of 45 degree. This is of 45 degree. If we want to draw 60 degree angle, we just join this and this angle. We have 90 degree, 60 degree angle, sorry, 60 degree. This is of 60 degree and for 120 angle, okay, for this we have for this color, this is of 120 degree, this is of 90 degree, this is of 120 degree. Okay, this complete our angles 60 degree and started from 45 degree, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120 degree. Okay, now we start our